Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jelly flan in a cup. This delightful dessert is surprisingly simple to prepare and perfect for individual servings. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring your jelly flan turns out beautifully. Imagine serving these charming, wobbly treats at your next gathering or simply enjoying one yourself. Get ready to create a sweet, creamy, and jiggly masterpiece that everyone will adore, all in a convenient cup. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1 cup of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, and 2 cups of whole milk for the flan base. For the jelly, 1 packet of unflavored gelatin will do the trick. Make sure you have small, heat-safe serving cups, a medium saucepan, and a whisk ready. Having everything organized beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Now let's get cooking. Start by caramelizing about 1/4 cup of sugar in a saucepan until golden brown. Carefully pour a small amount of this warm caramel into the bottom of each serving cup. Next, whisk together the eggs, milk, and the remaining 3/4 cup of sugar. Cook this mixture gently over low heat, stirring constantly until it slightly thickens. Then, carefully pour the warm flan mixture over the caramel in your prepared cups, filling them about 2/3 full. For the final touch, let's prepare our jelly topping. Dissolve 1 packet of unflavored gelatin in 1 cup of hot water, stirring until completely clear. Let this mixture cool down for about 10 minutes to prevent it from melting the flan. Carefully pour the cooled gelatin solution over the flan layer in each cup, filling them to the top. Finally, refrigerate your jelly flan cups for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, until they are perfectly firm and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.